Hi everyone, welcome to Wonder Factory. Today, we're showcasing Wonder Factory S1 Smart Aquarium with a moss tree style aquascaping. Pour in yellow substrate. The moss tree framework is integrated into the tank. The overall form is elegant and dynamic. The mountain peaks built with Sairuseki stone stand tall and straight. White sand is scattered between the trees and mountains to create river channels. And there you have it, a complete moss tree landscape. Don't forget to hit the like button. Stay tuned. See you next time.